Learning English is not hard.
You can learn very fast now.
Yes, learn real phrases today.
We help you speak clearly.
Have you ever lost something important?
It happens to everyone sometimes, right?
Type yes if this happens often.
Today, we learn with Leo.
Leo needs his car keys.
He is late for his work.
He cannot find them.
Chloe is very calm always.
She sees Leo's big panic.
He searches everywhere quickly now.
Under the sofa. On the table.
No, they are not there.
Chloe will help him today.
She knows his habits well.
This is a common situation.
Listen to their conversation now.
My keys. Where are they?
Leo, you are always losing them.
I am late. I must go.
Did you check your coat pocket?
Yes, I did check it.
Look on the kitchen counter.
No, they are not there.
What about your small bag?
It is empty. I just checked.
Do you remember last night?
I put them here, I think.
You always say that, Leo.
I need to find them now.
Is it under the newspaper?
No, it is just paper.
Look inside your coffee cup.
That is a silly idea.
You did it last week.
Okay, I will check it.
Well, are they in there?
No, the cup is empty.
Where did you sit down?
I sat on the sofa.
Check under the sofa cushion.
Ah! Here they are. Thank you.
I knew you would find them.
I am so very sorry.
Just go now. You are late.
Did you check your coat pocket?
Check under the sofa cushion.
These phrases are very useful.
Remember them for daily life.
The secret is daily practice.
Do not give up learning English.
Subscribe for more fast lessons.
Like this video if you learned.
Real English. Real communication.
See you next time, learners.
Speaking English is very difficult.
No, it is not difficult.
You are wrong, it is.
Listen to us. You will learn.
Today's story helps you learn.
It is about asking for things.
Type yes if you ask often.
We help you ask correctly. Lily needs a drill today.
She sees Arthur in garden.
Lily walks to his fence.
She says, "Can I have drill?"
Arthur looks very surprised now.
He thinks, "This is my drill."
He says, "You cannot have it."
Lily feels very confused now.
She needs the drill still.
What did Lily do wrong?
Asking is important always.
Let us learn correct words.
Now let us practice it.
Listen to our conversation now.
Good morning, Arthur. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
May I borrow your drill?
My drill? For what work?
I need to hang a picture.
It is heavy, very big.
I am very careful, I promise.
Okay, you may borrow it.
Thank you very much, Arthur.
Please return it soon.
I will return it today.
Good. Be careful, please.
I always am careful.
You are a good neighbor.
You are a good neighbor too.
Here is the drill for you.
Thank you again so much.
You are very welcome, Lily.
Have a nice day, Arthur.
You have a nice day too. Remember these two phrases.
May I borrow your drill?
You are very welcome, Lily.
Practice these words often. Do not fear making mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn more.
Speak daily, speak often.
Like and subscribe for more.
Join our English community now.
Real English. Real communication.
See you in next video. Buying a car is difficult.
English makes it harder sometimes.
Do not be afraid to negotiate.
We will show you exactly how.
Many people fear negotiation.
It is a key life skill.
Let us learn together now.
Type yes if you agree.
Tom needs a new car.
His old car did break down.
He went to a dealership.
Brenda is the car salesperson.
She showed him a blue car.
The car looked quite good.
But Tom is very careful.
He checked it closely inside.
He saw some small problems.
Brenda said it was perfect.
Tom knew better than that.
He decided to negotiate hard.
This is a real-life situation.
Listen for key negotiation phrases.
Are you ready to practice?
Let us start the conversation now.
This car is very good.
It has some small issues.
What issues do you see?
The tires are quite old.
They are almost brand new.
I do not think so.
This is a great price.
It is too high for me.
What is your best offer?
I offer $10,000.
That is much too low.
It is my only offer.
How about 12,000?
No, 10,000 is my limit.
I cannot sell it.
Then I will look elsewhere.
Wait, let me check again.
Okay, I am waiting now.
My manager says no.
That is very unfortunate.
What if I offer 11?
No, $10,000.
This is a tough customer.
I know what I want.
Okay, $10,000.
Excellent, I will take it.
Good negotiation, Tom.
Thank you, Brenda.
Remember these two phrases.
What is your best offer?
I offer X dollars.
Practice them often now.
Always be polite. but firm.
Do not show all your cards.
Like this video and subscribe.
Real English, real communication.
See you next time.